Hello! Welcome back. This is PWDrives. So this is my second vlog. If you haven't seen my first vlog, please do so. Don't forget to like, also share the video, and of course, please subscribe. So today I'm using the Vespa LX150. As you also saw in the intro a while ago. So there, if you watch the first video, it's all about me, I guess. Telling you how I started riding the scooter, the bike again. Also telling you scooters that I had and that I have. So today, maybe I can discuss a little more about myself. So as you can see in my logo, it says PWD. So person with disability. Yes, I do have a PWD ID, and I'm considered as a PWD as well. Why is that, if you're asking? So when I was in grade school, a long time ago, of course, I think I was around grade 1, I had polio. So actually my right leg is not small, but maybe late in development compared to my left leg. So just to give you a background, when I had this, I wasn't able to walk, wasn't able to run. I thought I won't be able to walk at all. But with the support of my family, especially my parents, with all the therapy that we had, and also I guess the perseverance to do the things that I want, and with the help of God, I was able to walk it. So there, that's the name of my YouTube channel, PWDrives. And also one of my advocacy is to encourage or to inspire my fellow PWDs to, again, do what they want to do. I'm looking forward to meet some PWD riders as well. I saw some in the news. I also saw some motovloggers actually. So hopefully we get to ride soon, brothers. So until now, I'm vlogging without an external mic. So again, apologies for the wind noise, and hopefully you can hear me. Also today, I need your help, guys. Using the helmet mount including in the GoPro package. So on the chin. So I'm on super view as well, so I'm thinking which view is better. So later I'll show you a short clip of me riding using my app-based helmet, and it's mounted on Alright, so let's talk about a little bit about this Vespa LX150. So I got this pre-owned or second-hand from a guy in Pasig. So it was for a good deal actually. And this is my first time to own a Vespa. So before this Vespa, like what I said last vlog, I had a Honda Giorno, I had a Honda Sumarex, and I have the Honda Scoopy. So also before driven a Honda Super 4 and tried a CBR 600, also a Honda. So obviously it's all Hondas until such time I decided, uy, gusto ko ng Vespa. Alright, so I am ending the vlog now wearing this pink Bell Vortex helmet. So you saw the chin mount, also you saw the top mount. So please comment below, what do you think is better? And I promise once the mic adapter and is available, I'll be getting one of those soon so you can hear me better. Again, thank you for watching my vlog. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Ciao!